Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing in some brand new products from Patrick Ta. He recently released his line. He is a makeup artist. He used to work with La Mer. He is very well known, beautiful work. All his work with skin is just absolutely stunning. So he has come out with his own line. And at first I wasn't sure if I wanted to pick this up, but then I just got really curious. I just decided I really wanted to sit down and play in some things. So what I'm going to do is go over each of the products, and then we're going to put them to the test and see what happens. Stay tuned. This gets interesting. It gets very interesting. First off, let's start off with the highlighter. So these are called the Major Glow Highlighting Mist. There's 3 different shades. I have the White Pearl, which is Look at Her, and then We Love Her, which is a pink pearl, and then there's also a gold pearl, but that one's a little bit too dark for me, so I decided to skip out on that one. They each retail for $32, and the description says it's a fine mist highlighter spray for the face and body, designed to fall naturally and seamlessly onto the skin for a light catching glow. And in each bottle, you're getting 45 grams of product or 1.6 ounces. The next product is a lip gloss. This is the Major Glow Lip Shine. Again, there's 3 different shades with this. There's She's an Influencer, which is a pearl pink, and then Is She Younger Than Me, which is a bright peachy pearl, and then the one that I got, which is She's Expensive, and this is described as a crystal pearl, and these retail for $22 each. Then we have the Major Glow Setting Fan right here. This retails for $24. You can use this to help set your makeup whenever you spray it, or help with the guidance of applying the mist highlighters. And this is $24. There's one more product too. The collection is the Major Glow Body Oil. It's $52. There's 2 different shades, but I decided to skip on that because I don't use body oils that often, so I don't feel like I needed that right now. And I really just wanted to stick to the face because I just wanted to experiment today. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and jump into seeing how this turns out. I'm going to start off with the Major Glow Lip Shine in the shade She's Expensive. I want to go ahead and pop this on and try it before anything else because I don't want my lips to be dry while I'm experimenting with the other things. But then I will remove this and I will put it on top of an actual lipstick so you guys can see how it looks both ways. But I'm going to go ahead and just pop this on my bare lips. And like I said, this is the shade She's Expensive. And so it looks like this. Definitely looks nude with a little bit of, a lot of sparkle in there. We'll see what it looks like on the lips. Ooh, it has like a minty kind of smell to it. Here it is nice and close so you guys can see. There's not really any color to this one when it's applied to the lips. Definitely has a lot of shine. Not sticky, it feels nice. Feels good, and I like the smell. Don't really have a taste, but the smell is really nice. Now let's move on to the highlighting. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little bit nervous about this. I don't want to have a streak on my cheek. I'm scared I'm gonna have this stuff in my lashes and in my brows, but I'm going to do my best. And I'm gonna start off with the lighter shade on this side, which is Look at Her. So I'm just gonna shake this up, and there's no like, I don't know, you know, like that little ball that's usually in there. So as you can see, like there's no noise because there's nothing in there shaking it, but shaking it up. I'm gonna get my handy dandy little fan here. I have no fan skills, none. Okay, got my fan. And I'm just gonna take the fan like this. I'm gonna hold it back. Close my eyes. Maybe I can get a little closer. Do you guys see that? Well, that's really pretty. Fan myself. No idea how to use fans. Probably be better if I was using my right hand. I feel like I could add just a little bit more. That's a really nice subtle glow. Let me add a little bit more. That's really pretty. So here you can see like the beautiful glow that you get. It's stunning, but there is one big but. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera. I can see it in the viewfinder right now, but it's all over my pore area, and that's a no-go. I am gonna wait until I'm done with both sides, and I will try to fix that with a little bit of powder and see how that goes. But for right now, we're gonna go on to the next shade, which is called We Love Her. This was a white pearl, and this one is a pink pearl. Ooh, that one left a line. Ugh. I have a little bit of a line right here. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll have to see if I can buff that out like after. Oh, and my hair. Can you guys see that? It's like all in my hair. And it might be on the with the white side as well, but my hair is white, so it doesn't really matter. But whoo, we got it all up in the hair right there. I'm just gonna take the blush brush I used. Oh, and it covered up my wing. Ugh. Oh, that seems to do, yeah, it comes off pretty well. I'm not gonna add much more to this side. You guys can see the glow, but I definitely like this side better. Ooh, I do have a little bit of a line right here too, so let's, I'm gonna touch up with my powder and everything. But I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see these, like untouched other than fixing my little bit of blush. Let me zoom you guys in. So not only it is all in my brow, it is covering up my wing on this side quite a bit. I don't know if I got a little loosey-goosey on this side, but this is the pink pearl, this is the white pearl, and yeah, this on my pores is not cute. So I am gonna go touch things up, touch up my eyeshadow, get this out of my hair, and come back and see how it works. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a little bit of Look at Her, the white pearl, on this side so that it kind of matches, but I'll be back. Okay, not gonna lie, that was a hot mess. Like, it was absolutely everywhere. It was in my brows. When I looked down, it was all in my lashes. It's all over my liner. This side of my hair was just covered in it. And then like my little peach fuzz I have on my face had it on there. So it was a lot. And it was definitely way more obvious with the pink glow than like the white pearl. So I'm gonna try this another way. I had to go add liner back. I had to fix my brows. I had to take a wet wipe to my brows, to my hair, to my lashes. I had to add liner. I had to do so much work to get that out of everything. So if you're going to spray this, do your brows and like your eyes, all that stuff afterwards. But I want to try something else, and I'm going to use the white pearl. It's easier for me to remember pink and white pearl than it is the names. So the white pearl is Look at Her. I have a damp sponge, this little guy right here from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics, and I'm going to try spraying the sponge and tapping it on and see what happens that way, because I feel like that just might be easier. So let's do it. Take it, I'm just going to spray it on there and just tap. And you see, I think that gives a beautiful glow. Okay, let me see what it looks like on the other side, because I wasn't able to get a ton. I was scared to put the white as much as I could because I didn't want too much to go everywhere. So I feel like you can definitely get more of a precise application this way, but I really like the airbrushed effect with it being sprayed, because it's dispersed so well, but you definitely have more control using it like this, but I don't feel like it's as intense. Okay, so I'm done experimenting. I'm ready to give you guys my first impression thoughts on these. And I'm going to start off with the most important product, which is the Major Glow Highlighting Mist. So I'm kind of on the fence about it. I do think it's really messy. I feel like as a makeup artist, it would be easier for me to get precise application on someone else versus myself, because I feel like I need to open up my eyes, and I'm like, no, you need to close your eyes so you don't spray it in your eyes. And I feel like the spray just goes out so much. It's a good thing because it makes it dispersed. It really gives you a already blended out glow. So it's not just like a line on your face. But the bad part about that is that it literally gets everywhere. And it's in your hair, it's on your brows. You guys saw it's everywhere. And I don't like that it gets on my pores. I will say it came off my pores incredibly easy. My face is set. I did bake all that. So it came off of my pore area very, very easily. So that wasn't a huge deal. If that was the only thing, then it would be no big deal to me. So I think that I would probably still use these and do my brows and eyes later. But I'm going to have to keep you guys updated. I would just say if you're going to use these, don't go on an important day first. Make sure you play with them and decide, if you are comfortable using them. I definitely think it's easier to pop them on a sponge. I did try while I was fixing my face to take this and I sprayed it in the cap and I used my brush to tap on there. But the thing is, it's so wet that it can move the product. So I think the sponge is a better way to go if you're trying to be more precise. I just feel like you're going to soak up a lot of the product doing that. And the best thing is to spray it on your face. You're just it's in my ears, everything. It's just everywhere. So these are messy. I don't think that they are a must-have, but I think they are neat. I think they'd be really cool for the body. I'm not going to put them on my body because this kind of highlight over top of my tattoos makes them look strange. But so this is just it's kind of gimmicky, but then it's kind of pretty at the same time. So it's up to you. I'm not going to say, oh yes, go run out and get them. But if you're curious and you just want to play with them, have fun, be careful. This gloss right here, which is actually called the Major Glow Lip Shine. Again, I have the shade She's Expensive. I am wearing it now on top of BECCA Sugar. Beautiful. But can I really tell with the lipstick underneath it what gloss I'm wearing? No. Do I think this is anything special? Not really. So for the gloss, it's beautiful. If you really like glosses, sure, go grab it. But I don't think it's special. The other two shades are a little bit more on the pink or peach side, and maybe they give a little bit more color to the lips, but I wanted the nude one. The fan, I don't really think I even really need to review this. It's a fan. It's beautiful. It really is beautiful. I think it definitely helps with the application so you're not getting that mist absolutely everywhere all over your face. But I mean, it's just a fan. You could use any type of fan. You could go to the dollar store and get a fan. So it's not a must-have. It's just really pretty. And I know that I will end up using this for my facial mists when I want them to dry faster, because currently right now I'm literally using this little piece of cardboard style paper from CoverGirl to fan off my face, and that's done the job for a while. But this is pretty. It's not necessary. But that is my conclusion. This is something fun to play in. I was definitely excited just to kind of play in something different, try something different. And so for me, this was a lot of fun. I feel like I was an art student in school making a big mess, but it was a lot of fun. So you guys let me know what you think about this. Is this like, that is too much of a mess for me, I'm not here for it? Or if you're like, I don't know, I'm kind of intrigued. Let me know down below what you think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.